Hello class 8, good morning. In today's class, in chapter 4 operators, we are going to learn operator precedence. Means the order in which a mathematical expression will be evaluated, solved in Java. So in this class, we are going to concentrate only on 5 mathematical operator, that is asterisk, slash, modulus for the remainder, plus and minus. Second, between asterisk, slash and modulus, whichever is first is solved first. First means whichever comes left side in the expression is solved first. Thereafter, between plus and minus, whichever is first is solved first. If addition comes left side, addition is evaluated. If subtraction comes from left side, subtraction is solved. 4. Brackets are solved before anything, as in math. The first bracket will be solved, then out of asterisk, slash, modulus, whichever comes first left side will be solved, and at last plus and minus. First one, 5 minus 2 plus 3. Let's see, minus and plus both have got the same priority, but which is coming left side? Minus. So 5 minus 2 will be done, comes 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 is the answer. So minus is solved before plus. Second, B, 5 into 2 by 5. So see, asterisk and slash both got same priority, but which is coming first? First comes the asterisk. So 5 into 2 will be done. The 5 into 2, 10. The 10 divided by 5 comes 2. Alright? So 2 is the answer. Asterisk is solved before slash. C, 5 by 5 asterisk 2. So slash and asterisk both have got the same priority, but which is left side? Slash. 5 slash 5, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Now comes D. So 10 by 2. Slash and asterisk. Division and asterisk. So which is coming left side? Left side is the slash division sign. So 10 is divided by 2. What comes? 5. The 5 into 5 comes 25. Okay, see, first division is done. So comes 5. 5 into 5, 25. So first slash means division sign is solved before asterisk. E, 5 plus 10 modulus 2. Modulus means this finding remainder. 10 will be divided by 2 and remainder will be obtained. So first which will be solved? This modulus is above plus and minus in operator precedence. So first 10 is divided by 2. If you divide 10 by 2, remainder comes 0. So 5 plus 0 comes 5. Alright. Now comes F. 5 plus 5 asterisk 2. The first 5 plus 5 will not be done. In order of priority, first comes what? Multiplication. The 5 into 2, 10, and 10 plus 5, 15. So asterisk is solved before plus. G, 8 into, in the bracket, 5 plus 2. So see, brackets are solved before anything, as in math. The first bracket will be solved. So 5 plus 2, 7. Now 8 into 7, 56. Okay, the bracket is solved before asterisk multiplication. H, 2 plus 6 within the bracket, 7 minus 3 within the bracket. The first, both the brackets will be solved. The 2 plus 6 comes 8. 7 minus 3 comes 4. The 8 is divided by 4. So what is answer? 2. The 2 is the output, result. Bracket is solved before. So if this type question comes, you have to solve according to these rules only and write the output. Alright. Now shorthand operators or shortcut notations of Java. This is last topic of this chapter. These operators combine two operations into one. Now see, first sign is plus equal to. See, there is no space in between, no gap in between. Both the operators you have to write together, plus equal to. So n plus equal to 5 semicolon. So it is a Java statement. It is correct. What is meaning of this? It means n equal to n plus 5. So in our Java program, instead of writing n equal to n plus 5, we can write in the short form n plus equal to 5. Same way, minus equal to. So n minus equal to 5. So what is meaning of this? N equal to n minus 5. So either you write n equal to n minus 5 in your program, or you write n minus equal to 5. Both have same meanings. Then asterisk equal to. N asterisk equal to 5. So what is meaning of this? N equal to n into 5. Then slash equal to. N division n divided by n equal to n divided by 5. So n equal to n by 5. Last one, this modulus operator, finding remainder equal to. So n modulus equal to 5. So n equal to n modulus 5. Okay. So this was the last topic of this chapter. Next day we'll do the question answer. So these are called shorthand operators or shortcut notation. What is differentiation? These operators combine two operations into one. So plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equal to, modulus equal to. This is a short form which can be used in our program, and this is as usual we write. So n plus equal to 5 means n equal to n plus 5, n minus equal to 5 means n equal to n minus 5, n asterisk equal to 5 means n equal to n into 5, n slash equal to 5 means n equal to n divided by 5, n modulus equal to 5 means n equal to n modulus 5. So in today's class we have learned operator precedence, how to evaluate the mathematical expression in Java, and what are the shorthand operators or shortcut notations in Java. Thank you.